Whiteboarding has come a long way since the 90s, and our teaching styles need to keep up with that to engage our students with digital whiteboards and allow for collaboration and working from any location. My name is Corey Freed, and during this poster session, we are going to look at a variety of digital whiteboard tools along with some pedagogical advice and techniques for best practices. Most of the software that we will look at is available for free, or your school probably already has a subscription, such as Google or Microsoft. The Wakelet provided in the resource section of this poster session will help you with pedagogical ideas, tutorials on the different types of whiteboards, and more. Microsoft Whiteboard is built into your Windows 10 PC, but it is also available in the cloud using Office 365. Students can log in with their accounts and collaborate on the whiteboards together. Google Jamboard is part of your Google Workspace suite. You can use these whiteboards for a variety of ways, and they can connect easily with your Google Classroom. If you're using Zoom with your students, right in the screen share there is an option for a whiteboard, which is very easy to access and easy for you and your students to use. There are many different cloud-based whiteboards that have become available within the past year. Depending on your subject area, some of these whiteboards can be very beneficial for you and your students, such as Math Whiteboard, which allows you to use equations and graph. If you have an interactive panel in your classroom, you probably have whiteboarding software that came with it. Smart Notebook and Active Inspire are the two most popular, but other brands of whiteboards also have software that you can use with your students. Thank you for checking out this poster session on engaging your students using whiteboards. I can't wait to talk with you live at ISTE.